This is 1 pound of Papua New Guinea blend vanilla beans in my 11-inch plate, I believe. Smell it. Doesn't it smell so good? Check out these vanilla beans. They're so nice. I'm not going to use it all because I only have 4 cups of alcohol. So I'm going to use half of it. And I'm just going to estimate, okay? I'm going to put half of it away, but I just wanted to show you how it looks like. Okay, and this looks to be about half of it that's left. Okay, and in here is 4 cups, well, actually 2 cups of alcohol and 2 cups of distilled water, because this is 95% alcohol by volume, and you don't want to use 95% alcohol by volume alcohol for your vanilla extract. FDA says it should be at least 35%, but whatever 95 divided by 2 is, that's whatever percent we're going to use to make our vanilla extract, our double fold vanilla extract. So all you do is take your beans. Here, I'll show you. It's so easy, it's ridiculous. Okay, all you do is stick your beans, and I know I should use a better bottle, but you know, oops, what the heck. You just stick your beans in there like this. And I have a whole bunch of vanilla beans already, but hey, it doesn't hurt to make more. Oh no. Okay. I can't believe making vanilla extract is so easy. So all you do is just shove them in. This is how I do it. I know it's a pain in the butt when it comes time to take it out, but you know what? That's when it gets thrown into my mother jar, so I'm okay with that. Okay. Here, I'm gonna have to shake it around a little bit to get it all in there. Okay, there we go. Okay. And there you go. We have made vanilla extract. Well, it's not ready to use yet for at least a year, but that's it. That's all there is to it. Make it vanilla extract. Oh, it's 8.